I am back at the auto show, and here I am sitting in the iX3 once again, and I kind of wanted to do a little bit of a deep dive on iDrive 10. So I pressed home. This is the home screen, kind of like iDrive 8.5 and 9. You've got a map view in the back. Is there a way to change this? I'm sure there's some way to do that. And we've got some, looks like quick select widgets here, just like in iDrive 8.5 or 9. So it looks like suggestions, audio, shortcuts, destination input, weather, and we've got also the panoramic iDrive up top. And like I said, it's cool that it kind of looks three-dimensional that way. So okay, let's do this. So we got climate, so heated steering wheel, heated seat, temperature up and down. It looks like we've got four-way flashers up. No, parking lights. What's this? Check vehicle status. So, okay, you got a little shortcut tab on the side for vehicle status. Okay. And we got audio. So you can choose source. Okay. Got radio, Spotify, apps, it looks like. And we can see this stuff here. Cool. Let's change the source to radio, see what that looks like. And I'm just going to mute that. And we got no iDrive controller this time around as well, so that's a little bit different. And stock nav actually looks really good. And telephone menu, yeah, connect. David's BMW. Climate menu, so turn climate control on. We have down here sync. What's free? Free, direct, indirect, personal. Okay. Auto, air circ, AC, max AC, air quality, settings. So climate control upon opening door, that exists already. Driver and passenger temperature settings for distribution of heat and how much temperature you want when you remote engine start, or in this case precondition the vehicle. And if we click on the little car menu, so we have what's quick access, driver assistance, so we got steering assistance, assisted driving stuff. So this is all cruise control stuff on this part. Route and intersection, so adapting speed around corners, following distance predetermined, it can't be adjusted on the fly maybe. Oh, maybe you can. I see some buttons here for that. And we also have, let's see, safety features. We got speed warning, lane keeping, fatigue, emergency steering, intervention, active blind spot, forward collision, and you can also reduce warnings as well. That's cool. One button reduce warning. Parking, it looks like we got automatic front park, back park, parallel park like we normally do. And there's actually a shortcut to the park assist button view here. So 360 cam, how big the doors can open, panorama view, curb view so you don't curb your wheels. That's actually pretty cool. And more, we still have the 3D view like we did in iDrive 8.5 and 9. And car wash view, and you can spray the cameras, probably front and rear or both, just like we can currently. And in terms of assistance, that view is gone right now, but look at this view. That's the park assist view that it looks different than before, and it's actually sensing the humans that are around, which is new. And what else do we have here? Parking. We have what's driving. My modes, driving sounds, touchscreen, orchestration, lighting. So exterior lighting, we've got auto and interior lighting, got brightness. So I'm going to imagine we have to be in the correct my mode so we can do this. So if you get back into personal here, so we got a different lighting option, and then look at the lightings. So we got all these different colors here. You could do single color, multicolor, match the display, M colors. So lighting is definitely way improved in this version of iDrive. Seats, memory, massage chairs. I'm gonna imagine we got 20-minute activation. There's more options than there were in the last gen. Doors, alarm system, unlock all, lock when walk away. Okay, I'm already forming in my mind how I'm going to be presenting this stuff once it comes to our showroom. You can do automated window displays. So we got general display, which is this one, the panoramic vision display, and then the 3D head-up display. So I can't actually see the 3D head-up display right now in my view. Trying to just turn it on here. But the panoramic view is really cool. Converted speed, always power gauge, select content. So you can actually, I guess, choose what you want to have there. So see how I'm switching. We got personal assistant. We have map view, trip computer, driving dynamics. So it's showing like an energy meter there. And for personal, you can configure. So there's all kinds of things that you can switch here. So that is really cool. Date, time, weather, altitude, outside temperature, and panoramic vision display, 3D head-up display. I don't actually see anything right now. Configure content, no. Display settings, vertical position. Oh, I see it now. Do you guys see that 3D heads-up display? And let's do the brightness max on that so you can actually see it. Yeah, I do see it there now, so that's pretty cool. In terms of status, tire pressure monitor, DC charging, that's all good. Battery info, sensors, audio menu. Oh man, there's
Sorry, are you on the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry. Would you mind if I just turn on the headlights?
Not at all.
There you go.
Cool. And let's continue here. Doors. Yeah, we did that. Displays, status, audio, keys, managing digital key plus, orchestration. So we got relaxed. Oh, it's different like welcome light animations and such. Front and rear. Excited. That's so cool. What's connection? Smartphones, controllers, Wi-Fi, digital premium, software updates, and then for system it's going to be time, units, that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's actually pretty sweet that we've got that. What's this? Shortcuts coming down from the top. I don't know who's David. I don't know who mapped an app to this car. And then we got the My Modes. If I go into Sport, I just wanted to see, we got some lighting changing here. And then what do we have down here? 4-way flashers, gear selector, there's brake regen, rear volume, and what's this we got on the steering wheel? Menu, volume up, volume down. We have this, it has like a haptic feedback feel. And this side, cruise control, assisted driving view, lighting controls are here. And we got the little M here. I don't know if this does anything. Does that? It looks like it's a marker. And it's interesting that there's a gap here, but it connects on the sides here. Tilt and telescope. And looks like we've got the wireless charger with the little vent here to cool down the phone so it'll continue charging. 2 USB Type-C charging ports. What's inside of here? And down here, glove box. So we did a little bit deeper exploration into the iDrive 10 menu here, and we go all apps. Interior cameras, that's set up. The quality is actually really good compared to before, so that's pretty cool. Take a selfie. And we got video and TV, drive recorder. So drive recorder, I just want to see, does drive recorder record any longer than before? So automatic recording. Look at that, so you can do 60 seconds. 60 seconds. So that's a little bit different. And let's go back to apps. So you know what, I'm really glad I sat here and I did this, because it's giving me a chance to see what's in here, and I'm starting to realize that it's actually much similar to iDrive 8.5 and 9 in terms of where things are. Obviously looks way better than before, but really cool. So that was my little deep dive into what we can see right now on iDrive 10.